This is unit 655 here at TriVista. This is our 1F.1 floor plan, 762 square feet in size. It's got a very large kitchen, plenty of cupboard space here, built-in pantry cupboards, room on the island for a few bar stools. The double doors here is a large coat closet. So plenty of room here for a little extra storage. We've got the living room here. Nice and large. Plenty of room for a large couch. You could fit a sectional in here. We've got hookups to put your TV on either side of the walls. This door here will be your full-size washer and dryer. These are included in every unit. We've got the bathroom here, plenty of counter space. This one does have the oversized garden tub and the shower combo. And then here on the other side of the bathroom will be your bedroom. Light and ceiling fan included. This is a large bedroom, plenty of space for a king-size bed. You do get a walk-in closet. And then this unit does come with a balcony. We are courtyard facing here. So you do get a large balcony. We are on the 6th floor. We're only 7 floors high. So we're right here towards the top. Plenty of natural sunlight. And this overlooks our smaller courtyard, a couple sitting areas and a fire pit. And again, this is unit 655 here at TriVista, the 1F1 floor plan.